how you can get VidIQ coupon and promo code. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's start. First, what you'll have to do is just open up a web browser and just go to its search engine and type for couponcodeinc.com. Now, this is the website that we'll be using. Just the spelling is couponecodein.com. So it's really simple, and this is the official site right here. And what you'll have to do is just tap on its search bar and search for VidIQ. Now just search for it and it pops up right there. Now tap on it and it will open up, and right there you will see its coupon, and as you can see there is a 95% off on VidIQ coupon. Now you can use this code to get 95% off on your VidIQ. And that is pretty much it for the video. That is how you get promo code and coupons for VidIQ. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all. Take care and bye bye.